Today we will learn Chinese characters.
他
First, let's learn the pronunciation.
他 th a 他 他 他们 他们 他们都是女生。她们都是女生。他的，他的，那是他的书桌。那是他的书桌。他俩，他俩，他俩是好朋友。他俩是好朋友。
Alright, let's see how to write it. Pay attention to this character. Keep the left narrow and the right wide. This part on the left represents something related to women. This character specifically refers to the third-person feminine pronoun representing women. This character did not exist in ancient Chinese characters. It is a new character created in modern times to improve gender expression. Please note that this is written in one continuous stroke. Write this part a little higher. This part is also written in one single stroke. That's all for this lesson. See you next class.